to talk design for a second, because these are the finishing touches to what could be a beautiful home with amazing technology or a house with a screen on the wall. These are finishes for custom integrators to bring in at the pre-construction stages. These are brackets that get installed. These are things that house switches, that house touch panels, that house the joshers. You might have seen them in some of our videos. They're releasing a lot of new products that are integratable with a lot more brands than we normally use. Good technology, and one of the exciting things that they discussed was an in-wall mount for the Sonos soundbars. We sell a lot of Sonos, and some of those soundbars are hard to house. If you can figure out that you want to do this at the pre-construction stages, you can bring in this mount. It's going to be recessed into the wall. It has replaceable grills. That way, if you do a frame, for example, and you have a screen, a TV above it, it doesn't take away from the look by just throwing a speaker under the television. A lot of good things coming from these. We want to be able to use them a lot more in some of the projects. So we are going to be bringing this in at the at the design stages. That way, at the installation stages, we get a better finish.